Sarah is a stay at home mom who wants to contribute financially to her family but feels stuck.
I wish there was a way I could earn money without sacrificing time with my kids.
But there is. Online marketing offers flexible opportunities for stay at home moms. With determination, Sarah starts learning the ropes. Through online marketing, Sarah has gained valuable skills, a flexible income, and a renewed sense of. Anna dreams of escaping her 9 to 5, but the bills keep piling up. She needs a side hustle, something flexible and rewarding. She discovers freelance writing, a skill she already possesses, now a source of income. Countless possibilities await her.
Okay, one more article, then I'm sending it in.
Freelance writing brings not just money, but freedom. Anna now controls her schedule, location, and income. What could be better?
Yes, except I don't even know where to start. This is all so expensive.
I know, right? We need a plan, a budget, something.
Chloe and Mark are quickly realizing how overwhelming wedding planning can be, especially when it comes to the budget. But the city that didn't care. I arrived in the city with a list. It was folded in my pocket like a promise. Streets I had memorized from photographs, cafes I'd saved from other people's lives, museums I already knew the floor plans of. I had waited years to come here. The city had been a backdrop to ambition, romance, reinvention. I expected recognition, some subtle acknowledgement that I had finally earned my place in it. One-way ticket. I told people it was spontaneous. That was the version that sounded brave instead of tired. When they asked why I'd booked a one-way ticket, I smiled and said I wanted freedom, openness, possibility. I said I didn't want to put limits on myself before I even arrived. The truth was simpler. I didn't want to choose a return date because that would mean admitting I was coming back. What is zinc? Zinc is an essential trace mineral that plays a vital role in immune function, metabolism, growth, and tissue repair. It cannot be produced by the body, so it must come from diet or supplements. Common food sources: meat, beef, chicken, shellfish, oysters, crab, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, seeds, pumpkin, sesame, nuts, cashews, almonds, whole grains. Benefits of